see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
akin. So, lang yun natin dito. Door? Quick, 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 quick! Hi guys! Good afternoon. Hapon na guys. Ngayon pa mag-start mag-vlog. And today is Monday, December 28. And kahapon, di ba nung 26 yung mga bata nasa bay, nag-camping sila. Then kahapon, dapat pupunta kami ni Holly, babalik kami doon kasi 'di ba hindi nakatulog si Holly doon kasi nga si Mel nakainom na and baka umiyak si Holly, hindi siya makapag-drive para ibalik dito sa amin. So, ang ending, dinala ko si Holly dito and sabi namin, the next day, ida-drop off ko siya. Hindi yun nangyari kasi sobrang pangit ng weather the next day. Kahapon, ang pangit ng weather, malakas yung ulan and super lamig. So, nagstay kami dito sa bahay. And yung mga bata, kaninang tanghali, dinap off ni Mel at saka ni Talana sila. Hunter yung mga boys. And si Holly, dinap off ni Jang kaninang umaga sa, sa shed, doon sa, kung saan nag-camping yung mga boys. And si Holly, hindi siya nagpaiwan nung dinap off yung mga boys kasi sumama siya kila Mel sa Mount. Sumama siya kila... Sinama siya ni Auntie Mel kasi nga, di ba, na-miss out niya kahapon yung punta sila sa park. So, sinama siya sa Mount. Pumunta sila sa bahay ni Emma kasi may bagong nagpapagawang bahay si Emma, yung kapatid ni Brad. So, pumunta sila doon and kumuha rin ng meat kasi doon kami magdi-dinner tonight, barbecue ulit. Say hi! And naligo sila, yung proper ligo dito sa bahay.
Where did this come from?
This is from Isla.
Wait,
Isla, remember the Kris Kringle? Yeah. When we had a party in Adelaide.
I never saw the car.
Oh, now you see it. And you forgot one thing to give to Isla. You're the squeeze.
Yeah.
Where is it?
I don't know. It's in there.
Where? May nakalimutan si Sak na, di ba pumunta sa Liman ko, yun ang unang kinuha niya. Nakalimutan namin ibigay kay Isla. So, pag nagkita na lang ulit sila ni Isla niya, yun ibibigay. Yung squeezing, eto ba? Kay Isla to. So, put it back there. Thank you. So, ibibigay natin yan kay Isla. So, si Jan ngayon, nasa shed siya. Kasi, nababarila na naman. Wait lang. Si Jan, nandun siya sa shed, sa malaking shed, kasi may gumagawa ng window doon. And, hinihintay ko rin siya kasi sabi niya, malapit na rin daw siya matapos. Magliligo siya din. Punta na kami sa shed ni Dad. Pero dalawang kayong gagamitin namin kasi dala ko yung mga bata. Eh, naglinis ako ngayon. And si Christina umuwi kahapon kasi may pupuntan sila ngayon ng anak niya. Naglinis ako. Lininis ko tong, itong glass kasi nung bago magpasko, hindi ko siya nalinis. So, ngayon ko pa lang siya nalinis. And naglinis ako ng bahay. As in, naglinis. And naglaba din ako. So, nandito pa nga pala yung aking pine oak clean. And nag-toast ako kasi nagugutom ako. Wala pa naman si Jen. So, kain muna ako ng toast. Ayan yung toast na kakainin ko. And yung palaman natin ay yung Ladies' Choice na chicken spread. Sarap nito, guys. So, kain muna ako. Hi, Ham. Dito na siya.
We lost the cricket ball.
What?
Should be.
Hinahanap nila yung cricket ball. Where is it?
It was in the AMROC. So I put it in there, didn't I?
In Amrock.
Hunter should know because I
And
Hunter brought it in.
inom ako ng maubos ko na yung isa. Naghahanap ako ng, natapos ko na yung pinanood ko. So ngayon naghahanap ako ng Korean drama.
What are
You gonna have a shower now, Han?
Pick up too.
Yeah.
Okay.
How shares that?
I'm coming
Yeah.
with Dad. I'm coming with
And si Kuya, ang dami niyang kagat ng mosquitoes. Tingnan niyo, oh. Did you wear trackies when you went to bed?
No.
Why not?
Chin not coming down?
I'm not sure. See, you have it here too. Put cream and dadalhin nila yung...
They're like 20.
What's that?
20.
Yeah, you got red here, you got bite here. Put some cream and dadalhin nila to, nakalimutan nila to dito. Yung ano ba nila, yung Head torch. What do you call this, kuya? Head torch? Yeah. Headlights or something like that. Yeah. Ito kay Holly to, pero hindi to dadalhin ni Holly. Yung sa boys lang. Where's yours? Make sure you wear trackies tonight, okay? Tyron?
Here?
Here, here. No, it's not fine.
What?
Oh, no. This is too much, Zach. This is a lot. Here. Don't close your eyes. Open your eyes. Okay. Let me see. How about you, Hunter? Do you have any bites? Here. Give me some stuff.
Hey, Hunter. Hunter, we can use your cricket bowling. Hey.
It's alright. Come on, Kuya, let me see again. Here.
I don't know.
See, ang dami mong kagat. My God. Tapos, nung 26, pumunta kayo sa beach. Across doon sa, nahulog si Kuya sa,
grass when we were playing footy.
doon sa, pagpunta sa beach,
It
ha?
wouldn't have been at the beach. It would have been on past grass because it's hard as a rock.
No, I don't know. Ito na yung pangatlo kong toast, guys. Ang sarap talaga nito. Gusto ko marami. Maraming palaman. Naliligo pa naman si Jan, eh. Ha?
That's what he's saying.
Why?
No, that's mine. That's mine.
You want? Do you want some? Get one there. There's another one there. Gusto raw ni Kuya. Wait lang. So, eto kay Kuya. Ewan ko kung... Which one you want, Kuya? This one or this one?
Because it's my favorite pet.
Eto, favorite na part to ni Kuya. Yung, yung end ng, sliced bread? Oo. Come on.
I just want a little bit.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ubusin ko na to kasi alis na kami. Pagkatapos na dyan maligo. Tapos na ako, guys, kumain. Kunin ko lang yung aking... mag-jacket ako kasi malamig. Tapos na dyan maligo. Ano natin yung jacket. Ito ba? Kasi malamig sa bay. Dito na pala kayo, guys. Si Zach sumakay sa akin, tsaka si Hunter. Itong dalawa sa isang car. Ha? Yeah.
I'll go over there now because we're going to play cricket.
You're gonna play cricket? Okay. Nilipat ko yung car dito kasi maglalaro sila ng cricket. Ay, nagbabike na sila. What? Gustong-gusto niya ang dog. Oh! Where's the dog? Where's Maxie? Where's Maxie? Okay. Alright. Wow!
Maxie's here.
Oh no! He's playing dead. Oh no! Rylan! What happened? Naglalaro siyang patay-patayan. Ayan yung niya, car. Look! Come on, you need help? Alright, 1, 2, 3. Actor 2 eh. Tell me about Emma's house. How is it? Huh? Good.
What color is
What color?
It was white and blue.
White and blue?
it's still out?
It's still painting. Okay. Is it huge?
Is it big?
Is it big?
The way it's small.
Oh! I don't think so. Pinalis namin si Ryan kasi baka matamaan siya ng cricket ball or ng bat. Where's TJ? Bye-bye. Stay here.
You have a bowl?
Yeah.
No big hit.
Okay.
Alright, just have a play around. No hitting cars.
Wag daw maglampas sa fence.
Grass only. Anything else?
Any of them?
Hit anything grass, you're out.
Yeah, it used to be 6 now if you hit the fence.
Okay.
Other side, Hunter, other side.
Ay, yung cubby house, guys, tingnan nyo, meron ng di ba nung nakita natin yan, parang skeleton pa lang siya, pero ngayon parang may cover na siya.
Dad, don't put them right up. That's John's cricket set. Oh, that's just Hunter's ball. Hunter's ball, is it? Oh. Yeah, because John couldn't find one.
Sak lagi niyang pinifix ang buhok niya.
He wants the bat out of the cricket set now. Right, go out and field next to Dad. Yeah, we got a bowl and field. No. You're left-handed.
Well, you just got to concentrate on hitting the ball first.
If you hit a car or a fence, you're out.
Oh.
Watch the ball.
Okay, Brad.
Excuses?
Excuses, Uncle Jay. Just
Oh.
just gonna watch you on chair.
No, I'm good. Hit it! Where's Moshi? You left Moshi at home this morning. I know. It's in the bag. At home.
You haven't had mushy all day.
Yeah. Poor Moshi.
Uncle Jay's looking at the cubby. Quick, go over and tell him that's what you want. Quick!
Gusto niya magpagawa ng cubby house. Oh, go! Hindi natin na-film na hit ni Kuya yung ano, yung dun ba? What do you call that one, Mel?
Wicket?
That one? The one they hit?
Yeah, wicket.
Wickets.
Yeah.
Come here.
Or
Yung-
stumps.
Or stamps. Basta yan, may nilalagay silang ano, pag na-hit to ng tatapon ng bola, turn niya ng mag-hit. Kaya, Kuya! Si Jen ang nag-ano eh. Kaya dapat protektahan nila, kaya dapat ma-hit nila yung ball papunta doon. Okay. Come on, Holly, here. Baba, alis ka dyan!
Pa? Naughty, Pa?
Yeah, not naughty.
I gave you chocolate.
Good job! Run, Kuya, run! Run! Oh.
Come here.
Come here.
He gave you that chocolate. He said, I said, naughty, Pa. He said, Pa, not naughty.
Get there, Hunter. Watching.
It's like crushed up. Barely play.
We should move it back that way. Why don't we go this way?
Go! Go, Sakransa! Oh, Sakar's out. No. Nasalo ni Jen eh. Out na si Sak.
I said to him, I'm like, you barely played. You've got to get practice.
My belly full.
Yeah, your belly's full of chocolate.
And
My
carrot.
belly full.
Oh.
Lucky Hunter's still in his crease. You no more.
Cut, Sak! Oh! Sak! Di na-catch ni Sak eh.
Get there, Tim. Oh no, Hunter.
What's that? Who gave you chocolate?
Pa?
Pa. Ay, naughty pa. Is pa naughty?
No.
Why not? He gave you chocolate.
Yes. I'm gonna get my chocolate.
You shouldn't be eating chocolate. We're gonna have tea first.
Wanna have tea?
Do you like puto? You like puto? The little one, the little cake? You want puto? Yeah, puto?
Yes.
Yes.
Photo.
That's not puto. That's chocolate.
Yeah, no, kiss on the cheeks.
Yummy? Can I have some? Ah.
Don't trot them slow.
Can you share? No, you don't want to share?
Can you later?
Eat later?
Later.
Why?
Later.
Later.
Hi, David.
Oh, have tea first, Talana.
Yeah. Chinese gotta have tea first.
Later, have tea first.
What about Ryland?
How about Ryland? Why are you eating chocolate? You haven't had tea yet? Oh, it's finished. Inubos niya, oh. Why you didn't share? I'm not gonna share my puto. I got puto here. I got yellow. I got here. See? This is puto. I'm not gonna share it with you.
What in here?
Puto. Remember the puto, the little one? The little cake? Shh. Punta naman siya kay Pa, oh. Where's Pa? No more chocolate. Oh. There you go.
Thank you. Good job, Mom.
Hindi ko manap yung
I'm not
black.
gonna wear the black one now.
Yeah, we couldn't find the black one. Kasi nagra-ride siya ng bike, hindi niya raw makita kasi yung sun. Oh. Natumba si Uncle Jace. I know, I missed it. I missed it, Dad. Yeah, I missed it, Uncle Jace. Kinuha kasi natin yung shades ni Holly.
I was aiming for you then, Uncle Jay.
Demia, what are you looking for? Ah? Your animals? Andiyan pa rin yung kanilang tent. 3 days na sila dito. Pangatlong gabi na nila dito. Oh. Check nga natin. Si Kuya ang daming kagat kasi nakalimutan daw ni Mel kagabi. Yung first night, nag-spray si Mel. Yung second night, nakalimutan ni Mel mag-spray. Kaya ang dami nilang kagat ng mosquitoes or kung ano mang insekto. Huh? You find your animals? Good job. What's that? Can you tell what kind of animals are they?
Yes.
What's that one? What's this?
A lion.
A lion? And how about that one?
A horse.
A horse. Okay. Kanina niya pa yan hinahanap. Yes?
There's Elsa in there.
Elsa?
And Timmy.
Hindi tayo dito pumasok nung pumunta tayo nung first day. Kasi may office work dito si Auntie Mel. Andito. Oh, nakita niyo na to, diba? Ayun yung laptop ni Auntie Mel. Okay. Let's go down.
First shot.
Huh?
First shot.
So he's ready.
Yeah.
Oh!
He's got a little bit of a spin happening, hasn't he? A little spin arm.
I said that to Dustin when I first said he had a ball.
Oh, good job. Go.
When he had his first bowl at Brothers on his pitch. And I said to Dustin, like, stop, you look like a spinner. And then he didn't like do it. And then he's just
Oh, nice one, Teach.
yeah.
Oh. Well, cricket might be the best sport for someone, said Kalana.
She's walking along, she goes, Dad did my hair today. Now I have to hold it forever.
Go!
Surely like Harry. You have to ask the footballers what they do in the off-season.
Oh, Zach! Are you alright, Zach?
Call it like a little.
I'm sure his school would do it, wouldn't they?
Go, 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 go! Up!
Holly can use it. John will do his backing.
Yeah. Good job, ha? Nasalo niya yung bola ni Zach.
Yeah. You big.
Oh, he's not. No, it's not. Put your phone in there. Here, let me hold your animals while you get in. Put your animals in there. Put your animals in here. Look.
Problem there.
No.
What? No. Nawawala yung iba niyang animals. Ah.
Run!
Whoa, baby.
Where's the other animals? Where's the sheep?
Oh.
Where's the sheep?
Slow Mel, not looking to us. What happened?
Where's the sheep? Uh-oh. This is mine now.
What's your horse's name?
What's the name?
Nine.
What's your horse's name?
What's Nai?
What is that?
Say Pogi ako.
Go.
Here, look. Pogi ako.
Boy, go.
Pogi ako.
This one.
Say guapo.
Go.
Guapo. Ako.
Go.
Ako.
Say mahut tut.
Say otot.
Mahut tut.
Maotot. Maotot. Si Dad ang nagturo sa kanya. Say maotot. Say otot. Otot.
Auto.
Say guapo.
Gapo.
Ako. Look at the camera. Say it. Guapo. Guapo. Say it. Guapo.
Gapo.
You look at this. Guapo.
Gapo.
Ako. Ako. Pahinga na si John.
Oh, well done.
Oh, well done, Han.
Oh, it's probably not new.
Hey, Pogi, what are you doing there? Ano yan sa horse? Hindi ko lang alam kung anong tawag, pero sa horse yan. And nagluluto na si Das ng, at saka si Dan ng sausages.
Always sausages.
Always sausages.
I love the snags.
Snugs. And chicken again. Repeat. Repeat.
Deja vu. Kids had a roll.
So, ito yung partner ng sausages. Bread. Rolls and sliced bread. And, ayan, butter. So, ito yung binili nila sa Mount. Kanina, nung iniwan yung mga boys. Tapos, ayan, chips. Ayan, mga binili nila. Bike naman sila. Hindi pa luto yung sausages. Ayan, nagbabike sila. What's wrong, love? Huh? Well, you have to be careful. What's wrong? What happened? Itchy. Oh, may kagat din siya.
Just a cheese here.
Just rub it. We're gonna put cream when we get home, okay? Later when we get home. Yeah, okay, rub it. Dito na pala. Nasabi ko na ba? Nandito na si Tin. Rylan. Where's Rylan? Ayan si Tin, oh. Busy siya, busy siya. Nauna na si Zach.
Yeah, I don't know whether
Chicken burgers.
That'll be close.
Wait, we gotta chop first. Check.
Chop one in half first.
Check.
I reckon they would be. Be very close. I'll just turn them down so they can just simmer for about 5 minutes. Hot.
It's alright.
Yeah,
It's alright now.
No, they're cooked.
They're cooked.
My bread and
It's
butter.
cooked. Hey, tea time! Si Sak nandun na, diba? Nauna na si Sak. Holly, wash your hands, kuya. Tea time. Laro na naman siyang patay-patayan. Oh. What happened? Oh, diba? Playing dead. Uy. Rylan. Oh, Rylan. Ayaw niyo to. Oh. Wala na. Rylan. Oh no. Rylan. Wake up. Okay. That's it. Okay, up. That's it. Come on. That's it.
Mom,
Ang cute niya. Okay, yeah. Oh. Oh! Careful! Yung mga bata, nandun pa. Ayaw pa nilang kumain si Sak. Andito na, oh. You like the chicken burger? If I want to taste it. Alright. Thank you. Try ko daw yung chicken burger. Thank you. Good. It's good.
that's not too bad.
Ayan yung sausages. Here you go, Baba. Welcome. Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Yan, kain tayo guys. Ito ang dinner natin. Dito na lahat. Kinuha lang ni Talana si ma'am kasi nag-work si ma'am. Sinundo niya lang si ma'am. Pero ayan, lahat ng kumakain. Si kuya, pangalawa niya na yan, oh. What you gonna put, kuya?
The chicken one.
Nilamig siya, oh. Put your jacket. Malamig na to. Saan kayo mag-dinner?
Sam, Jace.
I think they're in the caravan. Mauna nang umuwi si Jan. Si
What's that, darling?
there's Auntie Mel.
All right.
He's
thanks,
going.
Tate.
He's
I'm
going home.
Yeah.
He's
Hey,
going home.
Jace. What are you doing in there?
Bookwork.
We're meant to have a
Nag-work pa
party
si Uncle
in
Jay, so kahit holiday,
end of the year, which is well, 38.
ginagawa niya yung coat. Oh, look at them. Oh, wait. Oh, si Rylan, oh. Is that your house, Rylan?
Marky, is that his
Huh?
house?
Is that your house? Is that your house?
He says yes.
Oh, that's Auntie Mel's house. Baba, don't push her.
No, don't run out. Use
Oh, careful, careful. What's that, pavlova?
Yeah, the animal last night.
Ah,
You got Krispy Kreme donut.
yeah, there's Krispy Kreme there.
Oh, is that the original one?
Ah, there's not. It's not original.
Eat them now.
Yeah, you can eat it.
How much this?
Oh,
Getting the mint.
what? What you gonna say? What you gonna say?
Thank you, TJ.
Say thanks, TJ. Look at me. Say I'm Pogi.
Say masarap,
Masarap. Say masarap.
masarap.
Say masarap. Masarap. Say it. Look at me. Masarap. Say it. Masarap.
Say masarap.
Say Pogi. Say Pogi ako. Say Pogi ako. Okay, look at me, Rylan. Look. Say Pogi ako. See ya, Han. Nauna na siya.
Good boy.
No, I'm not wrong.
When are you coming home?
Going.
Soon.
No, I
See
want
ya.
to say bye.
Yeah, see ya. Malamig na sa labas. Andito naman sila sa loob. Naglalaro sila ng Jumanji. Yes.
So what's this?
That's the time.
Where do you want to be? I'm going to be anyone. I'm great. I don't want to be anyone. You are red.
Where's Zach? Ito yan, oh. Regalo to ni Auntie Mel kay Hunter. Birthday gift sa kanya ni Auntie Mel.
It says on the top there.
Ayan.
It says on the top there. It's all the
What's that, Zach?
in Jumanji the game.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
just move automatically.
Yeah.
You're red. I'm
Kami rin, mamaya may uwi na rin kami.
I am. Whoever's closest to you, so.
Okay, Zach, let's go. We're going home. We're going home. All of you, come on, let's go. Gino-joke ko lang sila. We're going home. We're going home. Let's go.
I'm going home tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
I'm
Okay.
staying 2 more days.
Okay. All right. See ya.
I'm going home tomorrow. Mum, can you pick me up at 12? Maybe.
Okay.
Or Mel will call you when I'm open.
You're not gonna sleep here tonight? Tomorrow night? Tomorrow night?
Ow! I'm staying here for 1 day.
Okay. Bahay na kami, guys. I-close na namin yung vlog. Yun lang yung ganap natin for today. Thank you. Please like. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night, guys. Bye.
Bye, love you.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do.